What's going on, it's Jazz and welcome back to my kitchen. With Valentine's Day right around the corner, I wanted to show you guys a delicious dessert that you can make to finish off Valentine's Day right, and you can be making it for somebody special in your life, or also just for yourself, which is probably what I'm going to be doing. So in this video we're going to be making chocolate tiramisu, which I think is perfect for Valentine's Day. One, because tiramisu is one of the most rich and sexy desserts that you can make with the coffee and tons of delicious cream. And then we're going to make a chocolate edition because who doesn't want chocolate on Valentine's Day? So yeah, let's hop straight into the food. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is brew yourself nice 2 cold cups of coffee. I made mine using an espresso maker, but you can do it however you want. Just make sure your coffee is nice and strong. You could use a French press, maybe a pod machine if you have one, and if you don't have any coffee making things at home, you can always run to your nearest cafe and get yourself some nice fresh espresso. So once you've got your coffee and we're letting that cool to room temperature, we're going to start on the cream. So for the mousse that's going to make up most of our tiramisu, we're going to start by whipping 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. We're going to whip that until only soft peaks form, so we can whip it after adding the mascarpone without over whipping the cream and letting it turn grainy. So once you've whipped your cream to soft peaks, you're going to add your liqueur and your mascarpone. So mascarpone isn't typically something I stock in my fridge, so for those of you out there that don't have mascarpone in your fridge, we're going to be substituting that with around 180 grams of cream cheese, 3 more tablespoons of whipping cream, and 2 tablespoons of sour cream. So once you've whipped that mixture to stiff peaks, we're ready to assemble our dessert. This dessert is so quick, so easy. All you need is the elements and then you've got something beautiful to serve up on Valentine's Day. So now it's time to assemble our tiramisu. You can rub a little bit of the cream on the bottom there if you want to make them stick and just to fill out the dish a little more. So first we're going to take our sponge fingers and soak them in our espresso mixture, and then we're going to lay them on the bottom of our dish, and that's going to create our first layer. And then we're going to take our chocolate mousse mixture and we're going to spoon that on top until all our sponge fingers are nice and evenly covered. And then we're going to soak our next batch of sponge fingers and make our second layer, and then we're going to use our normal mousse and lay that on top. So what we usually do is dust the top with cocoa powder to make it nice and beautiful, but seeing as it's Valentine's Day, I have a special trick to make our chocolate tiramisu extra special. So what we're going to do is cut out some hearts out of baking paper, lay them on top, and then we're going to dust the cocoa powder. And so now carefully, using a knife or a spoon, we're going to lift up the edges of the baking paper, peel them back, and then we're going to have a beautiful tiramisu with little hearts on top. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. I hope you take Valentine's Day as an opportunity to share this with someone you love, or to share it with yourself and give yourself some love. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!